Hello everyone, today I have, well, I should say tonight, for me at the moment anyways, I have my July 2020 Bijou Box, or at least that's what I think this is. I know it's from Bijou, but I'm pretty sure it's July's. The camera, my phone that I use might get bumped a little bit because Tigger's right here hugging my arm. I didn't feel like doing my makeup. I just got home from mudding my dad's basement walls because we had to take off the old drywall and put new stuff on. And I just went to get a shower and I washed my face and all that. And then I went to check the mail just to see if I got anything, and I did. Tigger is trying to play with my hand now, and I am just going to move him. Say hi, Tiggles. He's an angry little boy. And whenever he doesn't get his way, he tends to take it out on the other guy. Because he's a little a-hole. But anyways, getting into the box, it says, "Hi Miranda, happy summer." And it's taped like that. I just was kind of excited and didn't want to wait to open this tomorrow morning, so I'm filming it tonight. Lots of tissue paper. The first thing I am pulling out is from OMFG Cosmetics, and it is a eyeliner cake, and it is in wedding cake. Open this, and it's just a white. I was hoping to get a colorful one, but that's fine. White works too. Like, I don't have any white eyeliners, so. And then I have from Beauty Creations 100% human hair eyelashes. They're cute. Turn down the light for a second. And they're number 99. Then I have a pressed shadow from Allure Beauty, and it's kind of up in there, so I'll take it out. If I can figure out how to open this. Camera might get knocked again because Loki came over to say hello and is getting into stuff. He likes the tissue paper, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice size, and it is in Madrid. Just gonna pop it back in here and put it in my Z palette. And a little later. And I just poked a hole in it because, okay, we're gonna put it in a Z palette now. One second. Just gonna put it in my Ipsy Z palette that I got on Mercari, which was gotten in Ipsy by the person I got it from. And there we go. Keep that up here to swatch it later. And then from Gourmand Girls, or whatever, it's a Pro Pearlescent Highlighter, or the name might be Pro, I'm not sure. It's that, it's on the back. Yeah, I think the highlighter is just called Pro. I'm not sure though. It's just on the back usually. One like the big word on there is usually the name of the product. And the last thing is another thing from Gourmand Girls, and it is an eyeshadow palette, and it's called Exquisite, and it's in a collaboration with Batgirl Volume 2, I don't know. It's BATGIRLEKTA. So it looks like. Love the packaging, and it is has plastic around it, so it's nice and sealed. Okay, now that I have that off, since it was really noisy, I was hoping I was gonna get this palette. It's really pretty when I saw it on Instagram, and it looks the same as the Unicurtain, and these are the colors. It's very pretty. So I will swatch these in a little bit at a different time, not tonight, because it's like almost 1 a.m. So yeah, I hope y'all have a good day/night, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. First off, don't I look fabulous? Anyways, I just got home again from a night of fixing my dad's basement up. I forgot to look up the prices that the products were in my July 2020 Bijou Box. So, the cake liner and wedding cake from OMFG Cosmetics is $10. The Beauty Creations eyelashes are $4.99. The Suva Beauty Single Shadow is $11. The Pearlescent Baked Highlighter from Gourmand Girls is $10. And the Exquisite Eyeshadow Palette from Gourmand Girls is $30. So the total was $66.99. So that's a lot less than it usually is. So yeah, but they're still nice products. Sorry, there's a mosquito here trying to bite me. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Hope y'all have a great day.